Hi everyone, how are you? I am Mirkanti Biswas and also I am a student of Korat Trust. Today I will give you something that is a total features research about three awesome website. Let's see. Here I have collected 75 features related class and features. The features are here you can see the Artica features and the features of Artica are well commented code, responsive, mobile menu, ULLI, slider, button, HTML5, CSS3, full width, font size, font weight, color, text transform, strong tag, positive position relation relative, font family, exo sans serif, text align, background repeat, animation duration, margin, padding, jQuery, JavaScript, social icon, line height. And the second website is Kelas. And the features of Kelas are well commented code, never, never brand, never nav, never collapse, color, background color, container fluid, container, responsive, bootstrap, revolution slider, smooth CSS3 animations, font awesome, Google Map, contact form, font family, uppercase, drop down, full slider, grid 4, H2 tag, P tag, H1 tag, and ULLI. And the third website is Vigo, and the features of Vigo are HTML5 and CSS3 based on Bootstrap framework, fully responsive, well commented code, boxed and fluid layout, font awesome icons, carousel slider, video background, scroll animations, type text effect, 404 error face, multicolor, drop down, never, never brand, never write, H1 tag, P tag, H4 tag, H5 tag, button class, contact form, target blank, and position absolute. Okay, now we'll see how they are used in this website. Okay, to see the whole thing, I mean the class and the features in this website, first we have to inspect the whole website one by one. Okay, to inspect the website, first you have to click the right button of your mouse. Okay, okay, you can see the left side here is the HTML markup and the right side here is the CSS. Okay, and this is the search option, I mean search selector. Okay, click it and click. You can see, and here is the class first, the container, and you have to know it first, the container and you can see here the navbar header and the whole class, I mean container and navbar header. This is the class of Bootstrap, you know. And the image, you can see here is that image, I mean logo.png. Okay, now you can see the right side, I mean navigation bar, home, home, and this is the class name of this section, is nav, and there is three class: navbar, right, navbar, right. Okay, the navbar, right, is used because uh, we have to the author have to side the menu in right side, that's why they use the bootstrap class never write. Okay. And then the another another link, I mean the another menu about services, blog, portfolio and contact, they're same way used. Okay, you can see the next item, and this is integrated in the A tag. Okay, and the whole thing is in a raw, and here is they have taken call md3. It is taken for medium screen, and call sm6, and it is also for a small device. Okay, and you can see here is one h1 and some paragraph. Okay, you can also inspect this item. You can see here is h2 tag. H2 tag is used for this heading, and here is the paragraph tag. Okay, in the same way the another features is used. Okay, now you can see here is some counter, I mean for counter. Okay, you can also inspect this. The same way here is used the whole thing, I mean the whole counter in a raw section. Okay, also here is used the call md3 and call sm6, I mean the median screen shows it call md3, and a small device shows the 6 row. That's why they are used. Okay, same way the another three item, I mean the counter, is used. Okay, and then the and the next item is portfolio. Okay, to see this you can inspect the portfolio, and here is used h1 tag, and here is used the p tag, I mean this p tag. Okay, now you can see here is some picture, and here is some nice uh, hover effect. Okay, you can also inspect this to see the code and the class. Okay, and here is used mm, the first feature. Here is used the class hoverbox, I mean the hoverbox, and there are some style, I mean you can the left side hover, there are written in the whole style in this class. You can see position absolute, top 0, left 0, width 100%, height 100%, and background RGB color. Okay, and the next other things is used in the same way, so you can see it by the one by one by inspect. Okay, now you can see the part of our clients. You can also inspect these features. Okay, click our clients, and also, and here is the all things, I mean the our client section. Here is used in container, the class, and here is also the title section class, and also here is the client box section. And you can see here is one image tag, I mean image, in a image tag, and they are wrapped in a tag. That's why they are linked. That's why here is used a tag in an image tag. Okay, the other features is used in the same way. Okay, last, the social media. You can inspect this element also. Social media, here you can see, and here first here is used the div, and the class name is upfooter, and in this upfooter section here is also used the container. Okay. Okay, next here is also used, you can see social media, and this is the h2 tag. They're used in h2 tag, and also there is ulli tag, I mean the social list, the whole social icon in the div of social list, and also the p tag used in the bottom. Okay guys, and this is the whole thing of this first site. Now we can see the second site by inspecting to see the whole thing. Okay, now, and this is my website too, Artica, and you know that this is the demo of this site. Okay, like the previous site, you can see the whole thing, I mean the left side logo and the right side menu. You can inspect these things. Okay, to see the element of HTML and CSS, you have to inspect the menu, and first you have to click the right button of your mouse. Okay, and inspect element, the search icon, and click the logo. Here you can see the header section, I mean the menu section is used in header section, and here is some logo left side, and the right side here is some menu. Okay, first here is that logo.png, and this is used in a image tag, and also it is wrapped by a tag. That's why it is linked. Okay, and the right side you can see home, about, services, portfolio, blog, socials, the whole thing in nav tag. Okay, here is use the class floater. Floater, this is not the bootstrap class, and it is the user defined class. Okay, floater, just here the style, you can see the style page. Here they styled float, right. That's why the menu is uh, in the direction of right. Okay, and you can see then there is one slider, and you can also inspect the slider. Okay, you can see You can see here is used the carousel slider, you know, and here is used the image first. Then this is the background image. This is the first background image, and this is used in the class, and the class name is PG Corp, and there is inline CSS. You see style background image. Okay, you can also call it in external CSS. Okay, fine. Then you can inspect a defined way to make wave. You see, and this is in the section ID. I mean the section ID name is intro, and mainly here is used title a defined way to make wave, and it is in one div, and the class name is title m. Okay, and you can see the left side, I mean the style phase, I mean CSS, title m, this is the class name, and also there is some style. You can see letter spacing 2 pixel, font size 30 pixel, line height 40 pixel, margin bottom 10 pixel, font weight 700, and text also uppercase. The text also uppercase, that's why the every word is in capital letter. Okay, now you can also inspect the bottom element. Okay, this is in a div, and the class name in this div is title s, and also here is some style in this left side style CSS, and you can see title s. There is a letter spacing 2 pixel, font size 25 pixel, line height 35 pixel, margin bottom 20 pixel, font weight 400. Okay, fine. Now we can also inspect the next part. I mean this is the paragraph part. Okay, you can see here is also used a div, and the uh, here is used also the class name. I mean the class name is content m, text c pat of 25. Okay, this three class is also is a defined class, and they have also defined this style. Okay, content name first, the class name is content name. The content name uh, in CSS, you can see this is content name, and font size, there is font size 16 pixel, and line height 24 pixel, and you can see the next, here is the one button show more. Wow, and there is also hover effect. Okay, you can inspect it also. Okay, you can see here is one button. I mean uh, here is used a tag, a tag, and here is of course they are styled by CSS. Show more, and the class the a tag is in the span tag, and the span tag there is some class btn, btnb, clr1, bg, clr is, I mean this is the class name. Okay, and they have also the style. You can see the right side is style, I mean CSS style base, clr1 color, I mean that is the color. Then you can see the dot btn, and also there is the style display inline block, border to visual solid, font high weight 400. Okay, and also you can see the next element. Okay, you can see here is some feature. first here is one logo, and I think here is one heading and some paragraph. Okay, also you can inspect this. Okay, also here is one tip, and there is one icon in that div, and here is also class name, icon s, icon rat, pg, pg clr, 3 clr text c pet. And these are also class name, user defined class name. Okay, and also they are designed in style phase. Style page, you can see the left right side, I mean in style phase. You can see control O, I mean the color, a double FFF, I mean the paragraph color is white. And you can see also the paragraph heading also here is used a div, and here is class name, caption is text C, and also they are used, they are designed, I mean they are styled by CSS. Okay, you can see the right side caption is, I mean this caption is, and uh, of course this is the user defined uh, class, that's why uh, there are some style. You can see there is font size 30 pixel, height 70 pixel, line height 70 pixel, font weight 300, display inline block. Okay, great. And the two features are used in the same way. So we can see the next element. You can see here is one heading, modern portfolio, and down bottom here is navigation bar. Okay, also you can inspect this element. Okay, here is one section, I mean modern portfolio. Okay, and that is used also there is one div, and there is some class caption as pad 50, and that's why they are user defined class, that's why there are some design in CSS. You can see caps S, font size 30 pixel, height 70 pixel, line height 70 pixel, font weight 300, display inline block. Okay, you can also inspect this. You can see there is used the nav tag. Okay, and the whole thing in nav tag. Okay, and they are also in UL tag, and they are used in nav tag. Okay, in UL tag there are li, also li tag, and there are span tag. Okay, first you can see the all menu, then you can see the second menu, and you can see the third menu, I mean nature, then the abstract, then the vintage, and you can see the UL tag, I mean here is one class filter m, and of course there are some design for this class, you know, because this is a user defined class. Okay guys, you can see the next topics, I mean next feature. You can see here is some picture, I mean photo, and here is a nice hover effect, you can see. Okay, you can also see this by inspecting. Okay, okay, you can see, and this is the whole thing in the class of portfolio boxed. Okay, first there is used a div, and the div class is portfolio boxed, and the for fixer is in this div, I mean portfolio boxed. Okay, okay, and you can, uh, this is the user defined class, so that's why there is some style. You can see the right side in the style css dot boxed. There is width 1200 pixel, margin 0, auto, clear both. Okay, in the same way you can see the other two photo. Okay, let's see, and you can see the next topic, I mean next feature, and you can see here is one heading, I mean I think this is the heading 2 and this is the heading 1. Also you can inspect this. Okay, and you can see here is also used in section, and in section there is one id, and the id name is features. Okay, in this section there are some div, and one the div, the name, and the one, the name of one div is uh, full text c paddy y50, and they have some style. You can see in the style page, I mean the right side style page, text c text line center, that's why the text is in center, and paddy 50, padding 50 pixel to 0, to 0, I mean, and this 50 pixel means the top and bottom padding is 50, and the left right is 0. Okay, you can see the next topic. You can see here is some paragraph, and first there is one heading, and then here is some paragraph, and same way there are six element, I mean six features in this section. Okay, you can also inspect, and also here is used a strong tag, and also there is used a div, and the class of this div is content as pad x25, and you can see the next topic, and you can see here is some social icon. Okay, you can see also here is one section, and there is one id, and the id name is socials, and there are some div in this section. The first div class name is full paddy y50 bgclr 4. Okay, and they have also the different style in css. Okay, you can also see vg color 4, and this is the class, and this is the style vg color 4, background color uh, black. Okay guys, you can see the next topic. You can see here is some social icon, facebook, twitter, instagram, and the I don't know the social icon name. Okay, First, you can see here is used the section, and here is also one ID. The ID name is social, and you can see here is some div in section, and the first class name of this div is full paddy y50 bgclr and 4, and this is the user defined class. That's why there are some style in css. You can see the right side bg color, I mean clr for background color, hash 33, I mean the black. That's why the background color is black. And the paddy y50 padding 50 pixel and 0, and that's mean it means that the top and right padding is 50 pixel, and left right padding is 0. Okay, and full height 100% and width 100%. Okay, you can see the next topic. You can see also here is some logo, and here is some counter, and here is some heading. Okay, you can inspect this element also. Okay, here is also used in one section, and here is one, and here is used the ID, and the ID name is counters, and here is some div in this section. You can see there is a used one background image, and the background name is thumb1.jpg. Okay, and here is used one div, and the div class name is caption b, value text 3, data speed 1000, data from 0, data to 95, and close it. Okay, and of course it has some style in style phase. You can see the right side caption b. Here is some style, font size 50 pixel, height 70 pixel, line height 70 pixel, text transform uppercase. That's why the every word is capital, font weight 700, display inline block. That's why they are side by side. Okay, right, you can see the next features, and the next one is our feeds. You can also inspect this. Okay, here is also used in some section, and the ID name of this section is blog, and in the same way there is used and there are some div in this section, and the first class name of this div is full, and the another div class name is paddy y50. Okay, and of course there are some style in css space. You can see on the right side the full class style, height 100%, width 100%, and padding 50 pixel 0, I mean the top right 50 pixel, and left right 0 pixel. Okay, you can see the next feature. Wow, there is used excellent hover effect, and bottom there is heading, and there is some paragraph. Okay, you can also inspect this. First, you can see here is one background image, and the background image name is thumb4jpg, and this is the image, and here is used the heading and the paragraph. In the same way, this two features are used. Okay, you can see the next feature. You can see here is a lorry I mean heading artist slash directors, that is also heading, and here is some paragraph. Okay, you can also see the next topic. I think this is the heading, this is also heading, and this is the paragraph. You can also inspect this element. You can see here is also used one a section, and here is also used the ID, and the ID name is call out, and also there is some style in the style page section. You can see with 100% clear both, and here is used some div in this section, and the class name of this div is transit top fat 50 animated fade in. Okay, they are also user defined class, and they have also uh, personal style. You can see in the right side text, C text align center full height 100% with 100%. Okay, uh, you can see here is one button contact here, and here is awesome hover effect. You can inspect this to see. Okay, uh, that is also in div, and the div class name is btn b clr1 bg, clr is 1, clr is 0 transit, and also there is one a tag, and and in the middle there is written contact here, and they have some style in style page. You can see the right side to btn ba padding 50 pixel 15 pixel, btn a display block, and a is to link, a visited, a active, color inherit, and then a text generation none, and dot btn font width 4000. Okay, you can see the next topic. You can see here is some topics, I mean heading paragraph, and it has a defined background. Here is the yellow background, and here is the black background. Also they have also, you can inspect this element to see the markup. You can see this is the image, this is not the heading, I mean any paragraph. This is there is used a logo. You can see the logo name is logo w.png. Next, content text, content s, content c, and there is one button, and they are used in one div, and also they have one class, and they have some class name btn b clr 0 bg clr a 0 clr a 1 transit. Okay, you can also see the next I mean the other element is used in the same one. If you want, you can see by inspecting. Okay, and the last verse, this is the footer. You can inspect also. Yeah, this is the footer tag, and in this footer tag there is some div, and and uh, the class name of this div, the pad 20 text div, and they have also color, I mean style, in the right side css. Okay, you see pad 10, padding 10 pixel, margin 10 pixel. Okay, this is the whole thing of this site, and now you can see the third site. Well, the third site is Vigo, and you can also see the whole thing by inspecting. Okay, first you have to click the right side of your mouse. You see on the left side here is one logo Vigo, and the right side here is some menu: home, about, team, services, prices, works, contact, more. Okay, first you can see. The site is loading, sorry. Okay, you can again inspect. First you can see. Okay, you can see the next topic, I mean next feature. You can see here is one heading, and another heading, and one button. Okay, you can inspect this. Also you can see there is used heading h1 heading, and there is used h3 heading, and also there is used one div, and here is one class, and the class name is more space, and this is the button, and it has also some css style. You can see the right side dot more space m with 100% and height 20 pixel. Okay, and one thing here is used the carousel slider. You can see you can also see there is one id, all intro text, and there is one class, all carousel. Okay, and the right side here is some style dot all carousel cursor e resize, and also with 100% and position relative. Okay, let's see the next topics, I mean next feature. You can also inspect about us, and here is used the h1 tag. You can see about us, and here is also a span tag in us, that's why. And also there is a style for us, that's why the us color is red. Okay, the bottom here is one paragraph, and you can also inspect. See, here is used p tag, and here is some paragraph. Lorem is from dollar. Okay, the next topic, you can see here is some icon and a nice hover effect, and also you can see heading and some paragraph. Okay, you can also inspect this. And there is used one span tag, and here is one class, and the class name is info box icon, and it has some style in css space. You can see the right side, info box one square icon dot info box icon, and the background color is red. You can see the whole icon background color is red with 75 pixel height, 75 pixel line height, 75 pixel color, font size 28 pixel. Okay, and also here is another div, and there is one class, and the class name is info box info, and in this div there is h4 tag, and also you can see there is a divider, and for this divider there is one div, and the class name is divider sm, and the divider has some style in css. You can see the right side, dot divider, display inline block, position relative, margin top 10 pixel, margin bottom 25 pixel, font size 14 pixel, and color black. Okay, in this way, another thing, here is some paragraph, and you can see here is use the p tag. Okay, in the same in the same way, the third element, I mean the three element, the other three element is used in the same way. If you want, you can also inspect them. Okay, now we can see the next feature. You can see here is a big heading, and here is some text, and you can see here is red color text, I mean red color heading, and this is animation. You can also inspect it. And you can see there is some paragraph, and the right side here is one button. You can also inspect it. Okay, for button there is one, there is a div, and the class of this div is get started, and in this div there is a button, and the button is wrapped by a tag, and there is used the class btn dancer, btn lg. This is the bootstrap class, btn class. Okay, you can see the next element. You can also see trusted by pixel crop, code bucket, and some other heading. Okay, you can also inspect them. There is used png. and the page name is trusted by 3.png, and the other div that is also used the png trusted by 4png. Okay, in the same way, the whole thing is used um, by image, and here is used a animation. Okay, you can see the next item. You can see here is some logo, I mean font, and some counter and some paragraph. Okay, you can also inspect this. And this is the use of font awesome. Here you can see here is use iTag, and the class is fa users, and the size is 3 pixel 3x, and there is also the span class, I mean counter, and the class name is counter, and it has some style in css space dot counter up dot fact inner dot counter, and its font size is 80 pixel. And last, you can see the p tag, and the class of this p tag is lit, and it has some style. See right side dot lit, margin bottom 20 pixel, font weight 300, line height 1.4. Okay, in the same way, the three element is used. If you want, you can also inspect them to see. Okay, you can see the next element, its latest news. You can also inspect it. Okay, first, there is used a div, and the div class name is page header refer. You can see page header refer, and then there is used another div, and the class name is container, and the container it has some style, and the container position is relative, you see in the right side of css. Okay, then you can see some bar, and here is also use a div, and use some and here is one class, and the class name is page header text center, uh, fade in animated, and these are the bootstrap class, and bottom here is used h1 tag. Let's test. Okay, you can see the next topic. You can see here is some picture, and it has some excellent hover effect. Also you can uh, inspect it. Okay, also you can see here is used a div, and the div class name is thumbnail, and the another div is class name is blog image, and there is use image tag, it is wrapped by a tag, and bottom there is one heading and some paragraph. You can see in the same way the three other element is used. Okay, you can see the next element. You can see a big button view all entries. You can inspect it. Okay, for this big button, uh, Here is used a div, and here is one class. The class name is view more text center, and the text center, this is the bootstrap class. That's so high the button is in center. Okay, you can see the next result. You can see here is some special thing, and what clients say, and here is some logo, and here is some paragraph. Okay, you can inspect it. Okay, in the bottom you can see meet the team. Here is this is the heading, and that is used in heading tag, and here is some bar, and here is some paragraph. You can inspect it. Okay, you can see there is a p tag, and the class name of this p tag is lead text gray, and in the class has some style in css. You can see dot lead, margin bottom 20 pixel, font weight 300, line height 1.4. Okay, you can see there is 4 pixel, and there is some excellent hover. You can also inspect it. And here is the image tag, the first one, and the image name is step.1 jpg zondo, and here is the name, and here is the one fee, I mean the first of zondo. You can also inspect it. This is, and for this there is used a div, and the class name of this div is caption, and there is used a slide tag and also p tag, and there is also used a class. The class name is text gray. Okay, in the same way, the other 3 pixel is used. You can see the next element. You can see here is some section, I mean designing, developing, optimizing, and here is some paragraph, and the right side our skill is some progress bar. Illustrator 65%, Photoshop 80%, JavaScript 60%, HTML 90%, CSS 85%. You can inspect this. You can see here is used the p tag for this p tag, and also this is red color. Here is used the span tag, and and then then it is designed or styled by css, and the color is, that's why the color is red. And you can also inspect the progress bar. Okay, there is also used a div, and the class name is skill bar, and they are used by they are styled by css. Okay, you can see the next feature. Also, you can see here is some here is written something what we do, and this is heading 1, and this there is some paragraph in the previous, like previous, and also there is one there is some logo and coding logo and web logo, and and there is some paragraph. If you want, you can inspect it. There is that paragraph, and also the h4 tag, and also you can see the icon. This is the inbox icon, and it has also some style in CSS with 40 pixel, height 40 pixel, line height 40 pixel, and background color red. Okay, you can see the next feature. Our price in the previous previous here is used is one tag, and here is some paragraph, and in this section you can see here is uh, some feature: basic, premium, premium plus. You can also inspect it, and they are used in and they are in a div, and the div class name is panel heading. Panel heading, and there is used a font or some logo, I mean Fafal flag, and that is 2x, the size is 2x, and there is used basic h3 tag, and there is p tag. In the same way, the other two things are used. And lastly, you can see our portfolio. Here is in the same like previous. Here is used is one tag, and here is some p tag paragraph, and also you can see here is some picture and nice hover. You can also inspect it. And this is used in a div, and there is one class. The class name is caption, and the class has some style in CSS. You can see. Okay, portfolio item, caption, hover, opacity 1. That's why the hover style. Okay, in the same way the other photo is used. You can see contact us page. You can inspect it. Here is used h1 tag, and then divider, and divider is in a div, and class name is divider md, and it has some style in the right CSS. Divider icon, padding left 2 pixel, divider display inline block, position relative, margin top 10 pixel, margin bottom 25 pixel, font is 14 pixel. Okay, now you can see some important thing. Here is your email, I mean input from. You can inspect it. Also here is a div, and the div class is contract form, and the whole thing in a from, and there is used a div, and the class of this div is form group, and here is used the input tag. I mean for this, for your input. Here is type text class form control input LG. That's why this is large placeholder your name. That's why it is shown your name. And in the same way, the other input is used. Message also is different. You can see by inspect it. Here is used in a div, and the div class name is form group, and here is used text area tag. Yes. And the class form control input LG row 5 placeholder message. That's why this is shown message. Okay, the right side is contact info. Here is one tag, and there is some paragraph, and there is some social icon, and this is the button, and it has a nice hover. We can also inspect it, and this is the button. Okay, and it has some style in CSS. In contact section btn black, and hover color black. Okay, last the footer section, left side copyright, all rights reserved, and designed by Theme Tourism, and here is one logo. Okay, you can also inspect it. Okay, here is also the footer, and there is one ID name footer, and here is some div in this footer section, footer, and here is some, and the class name of this div container text white, and here is some div, and the first div name is class name is row, and it has column 6, and the other is column 6, and one is left text left, and the other is text right. That's why it is standing left, and it is standing right. And lastly, here is used one image or logo. Okay, guys, this is my research about this three awesome website. Thank you.